Karpenter, contrary to Autoscaler, was designed to handle the full range of instance types that we have available in the cloud, whereas Autoscaler is more related to autoscaling groups, where you have less flexibility to choose the instance types from. So that means that in Autoscaler you have a direct relationship with node groups, whereas Karpenter works independently from node groups, and that gives you a lot of flexibility and a lot of freedom to choose the capacity that you need.
Just to add on that, the thing is that in Node Autoscaler or managed node groups, you will have to specify which type of machine you are working with and try to do the bin packing and allocate the exact amount of memory request and CPU that you need in your workloads to target the specific machine. And this is more flexible in Karpenter. It is more easier to do. This is not that you cannot do the same things in Node Autoscaler, but it will take you more time, more effort also.
So does that mean that Karpenter essentially is replacing autoscaling groups for your Kubernetes? So therefore, it's going to be something that needs permission to be able to deploy nodes, to deploy EC2 instances as well.
You could replicate the same functionality with autoscaler groups, autoscaling groups with Autoscaler, but that would mean having perhaps hundreds of autoscaling groups, of node groups. So that wouldn't make much sense. Whereas Karpenter treats each of the instances as an entity. It handles the life cycle of that instance independently from other instances. So that's much more flexible, and that's more efficient too.
You have to think about what it takes to Node Autoscaler to create a new node, and the thing is that compared with Karpenter, it takes less steps and does this the same more efficiently and more flexible with much flexibility, and it also offers the option to reduce your costs, because you will have to do a fine tuning, a very well fine tuning, in order to save money with using Node Autoscaling groups, okay, managed groups. The thing is that with Karpenter it is much easier, because Karpenter will take the most it will take the most efficient type of instances and the more cheaper also among the ones that are available for the workload. So that will be, you will have to choose, if you are already using on the other side Node Autoscaler, you have to choose beforehand which type of machines do I need. We'll have to allocate some kind of people to work on that, and then to do the bin packing. This is done directly on demand with Karpenter. Karpenter will take all this off, all this workload off you. Okay,